I'm going to clean my face. Cleanse my face. I'm not exfoliating because my skin is a little irritated right now, so ooh, feels so good. Like once you use one of these, you don't even want to wash your face the whole way anymore. And it's really gentle, and because I have sensitive skin, I need something that's gonna be gentle. It feels good. I have a link, by the way, in the description box down below for 70% off of this tool right here, this Radiance skincare system. This was sent to me. Thank you, the company, for sending this to me. It comes with this body brush here, cleansing brush, the exfoliator brush, and a pumice. You can use it in the shower. It is waterproof. Okay, and now I'm gonna rinse this off, put my moisturizer on real quick. Just a few drops, and I'm gonna moisturize my face. Clean your hands before you start to clean your face. Skin is prepped. Everybody have their own way. I don't wear makeup every day. I just, as long as my eyebrows are neat, just filled in just a little, and I have some mascara on and some lip gloss, I'm good to go. Ooh, hold on. That will happen sometimes. Again, I am not a pro at this. I used to go get my lashes done, but I don't like the process. This is what happens when you don't know what you're doing, really. When you really don't know what you're doing, trying to be grown, I had to start over. And that's gonna happen sometimes. It's okay. It's okay, you just do it and get on with it. I don't do foundation, all that stuff. Blush, just a little bit. My daughter probably like, no, mom, no, why are you doing it wrong? And I don't even know if I'm putting this in the right place, but we'll figure it out. Oh, wait a minute. I was supposed to be using, look at that, I told you. Well, I was probably supposed to be using this blush brush right here. Either way, I got it done. Okay, there, I used it. My Real Techniques limited edition brushes. This is the fan brush here. And this is Bronze Goddess by Estee Lauder. Really pretty. Favorite part, I think. A little there, a little there, a little there. And right now for the lips, I'm just gonna put on this peppermint lip balm just to moisturize my lips. Okay, so now we can move on to the hair. Do y'all see that highlight? Do you see that highlight popping? Okay, I think this is all I'm going to do for now, and let it finish on its own. And this is how the back looks. And I'm going to go ahead and do my edges with this edge booster here. My edge brush right here.